This is gonna be so delicious, guys. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, and delicious weeknight dinner that the entire family will love. The first thing I'm gonna add to this is, and this is a plant-based recipe as well, no oil. I'm adding 1/2 cups of water. Once the water starts to boil, you guys know I use my Better Than Bouillon seasoning, and this is what I am using, and you just wait for it to evaporate. Hey guys, while we're doing this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little button that said subscribe, and you will be subscribed. And also, don't forget to hit the bell, because that's how you're going to get your notifications, okay? And this is exactly what we're looking for. My leeks, I'm just going to add those. So once you add that, I'm going to add my chickpeas. I have a can of chickpeas that was washed, rinsed, okay? This is all a fast and easy weeknight dinner idea. I'm gonna cover this on low heat and give it about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I like saying that. Now I am going to add some English cucumbers. Very healthy recipe, and this is everything that you're gonna need for this recipe will be in the description box, guys, so please do not worry about it. 10 cherry tomatoes. You don't have to cut them up. I added my cherry tomatoes, and now what I am gonna do to just top this off, just fast, easy weeknight dinner idea when you're in a hurry, you're in a rush, you don't have a lot of time, and you still want to eat healthy. This is the way to go, guys. Let's go. The main thing is my string beans. So you add your string beans. I will add my spices. Turmeric, I love cooking with turmeric. Turmeric is great for inflammation. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, some adobo, some vegetable seasoning in here. Alright, like I said, everything will be in the description box. Don't worry about it. This is your easy, simple weeknight dinner for the entire family. This is how easy it is. I don't want to hear any excuses, guys. This is how simple and easy it is to whip together a nice, delicious, healthy meal. I do have some pre-made falafel balls that I bought, so I'm just gonna use these. These are non-GMO and they are gluten free, so I'm gonna add about just a few of these, like 4 or 5. Maybe I'll just add the whole container, right? Because I meal prep this for the whole week. I'm gonna add a little bit of sriracha. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. All right, so there we have it. And with that, I'm gonna just cover this up now, and I'm gonna leave it for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. Don't forget, these things do not take long to cook. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once again, it is free. Healthy recipes, healthy tips, whatever you're gonna need to start you on a healthy lifestyle. You guys know here at Maxine's Corner, we're all about health and staying healthy. All right, so cover this up for about 5 minutes, then I'll be back. 5 minutes later. All right, so my healthy people, what's cooking in the kitchen? OMG. Simple. See what I said about the tomatoes? Look at that. Easy, delicious, doesn't have to take long, guys. Doesn't take long at all. Now you can serve this over some quinoa, or you can just have it by itself. It's pretty much up to you. And this is it. I'm going to turn the stove off. I'm just showing you how easy it is to make a healthy meal stress-free, guys. Stress-free. All right? So, like I said, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Everything that you're going to need as far as the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. And that's all I have for Maxine's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Say it with me. Stay healthy.